In my last video, I said whatever the top comment on this video is, I will use as bait. Thank you for Peyton for suggesting macaroni. I ended up putting macaroni on a hook and casting it out right over the bluegill's heads. I'm going to be starting a thing where I take the baits off what people have commented down below, and I will using and rating it 1 through 10, trying to catch a bluegill. After losing a fish after fish after fish, finally reeled in a nice little bluegill. Comment down below which bait I should use next.